All right, so if I made a mistake on a post and I want to, maybe I uploaded something, I want to make a change. How do I do that? So locate the posts. Let's say this is my post. Um, get the post right. Then what do I do next? So I'll click on this icon here. Then you can see there are different stuffs here. You can click on edit post. So um, you can change whatever you want. Right, you can change whatever you want. I don't think it's possible yet to change your picture, or you can edit. Maybe you made a mistake with your write-up. You can go and just edit something, or maybe you want to add something. You can just edit and you're good to go. So that's how to edit your post.